Unit 2, Lesson 8, the spine and thorax. The spine is a structure composed of 26 or so bones capable of limited motion in unlimited directions. The spinal cord, which is the body's connection to the brain, is protected by this unique collection of bones. The neck is composed of 7 cervical vertebrae. Cervico means neck. The vertebrae are named and numbered, and the cervical vertebrae are referred to as C1 through C7, with C1 articulating with the occipital bone of the skull. C1 is also called Atlas, after the Titan of Greek mythology who bore the earth on his shoulders. C2 is also known as Axis, as the head pivots upon it. Interestingly, almost all mammals, including the giraffe, have 7 cervical vertebrae. The next dozen vertebrae are referred to as the thoracic vertebrae and are referred to as T1 through T12. Each thoracic vertebrae articulates with 2 ribs. The next 5 vertebrae are the lumbar vertebrae and are commonly called the low back. They are officially called L1 through L5. Below the lumbar vertebrae is the sacrum, which is a structure normally composed of 5 partially fused vertebrae, followed by the coccyx, or tailbone. Again, that's 7 cervical vertebrae, 12 thoracic, 5 lumbar, and the sacrum and coccyx, for a total of 26 bones of the spine. For the thorax, we have the sternum, or breastbone. The top portion of the sternum is called the manubrium. The main body is called, wait for it, the body of the sternum, and the small tip at the inferior aspect is called the xiphoid process. The xiphoid is used as a landmark for hand placement during CPR. The other bones of the thorax are the ribs. There are 12 pair of ribs for a total of 24 ribs. The first 7 pair are called true ribs, as they have a direct connection to the sternum. The next 3 pair are false ribs, as they are indirectly connected by a cartilaginous structure. The final 2 pair are called floating ribs, as they have no connection to the sternum. So, 24 ribs and 1 sternum makes for 25 bones for the thorax. Please review the resources and complete the exercises. Then on to Lesson 8, Bones of the Upper Extremities.